How do you take a 1970s home and make it feel brand new without losing its charm? Today we're touring a home that does exactly that. Welcome to 1717 Archer Street. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath at just over 2,100 square feet. What makes this property so special is the incredible attention to detail everywhere in this home, starting with the ceilings. The ceilings were sanded down and stained 4 times to get this beautiful color that we see now. All the windows are brand new, and if you want to watch a movie, the lights here in the living room are dimmable, so you can put it down to your desired setting while you watch movies. These are custom shelves designed to make sure it matches the same color as the ceiling. And they also put little grooves underneath so that when they put lights, you don't even notice they're there. They're just in the shelving. As you can see, we have very high quality appliances here. In the kitchen, faucets are high quality. These aren't just your typical pickup from IKEA or Home Depot finds. These are high quality Z-line appliances. They installed a downdraft and spent $3,000 to be able to put the mechanisms inside of the counter so that there's still some space to sit at the counter. It was installed so that a traditional hood wouldn't interrupt the flow of the space and block the view of this gorgeous kitchen. Pretty sure the downdraft is my favorite part. If we go to the front yard, it looks like a pretty landscape, right? Just a normal landscaping done. But what's actually incredible is that underneath the grass is a rock pit. A rock pit was placed under the grass for rainy days to naturally evaporate water, protecting the home's foundation for decades. They've also installed lavender and jasmine, which will eventually grow up the trellises, creating a beautiful entry garden. In the backyard, you'll find 3 brand new decks, perfect for entertaining or just relaxing with family. A sliding glass door was installed on one deck for easy access to the bathroom from the pool. The pool itself has been replastered with all new electrical lines and concrete poured around it. It's basically a brand new pool. The garage is another standout feature with a 9-foot door. It's tall enough for a Sprinter van, large trucks, or even a car lift. I'm 5 feet and I'm wearing heels. The cedar shingles keep the home's original charm, but every shingle was replaced and restained for a fresh, updated look. Well, that concludes our tour today. I am a real estate agent. Reach out anytime, and I'll see you in the next home tour.